Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek Performance. Today I'm going to show you how to install your P3 gauges in your 2016 to 2019 Camaro with the pre-installed vent option. Now this kit is going to be a fairly simple install and will only require a few minutes of our time. We're going to start by moving our steering wheel towards you and all the way down. Then you can loosen the dash panel from the mounting tabs. It will not be removed, just enough so we can get our hands behind it. We're going to also remove the side trim panel. This will allow us to tuck our wires inside for a clean install. We will depress the 4 locking tabs holding the AC vent in place. Once all tabs are depressed, we can now remove the vent and swap it for the P3 vent. The new vent will snap right back into the factory location. All we have to do is feed the wiring towards the correct location so we can make our connections with the display cable. Once we make our connections with the display cable, we can then tuck the harness and module behind the dash. Now that we have our gauge in place, we can reinstall the side trim panel and dash trim panel in the factory location. Finally, we can make our connection to the factory OBD2 port and ensure that the gauge is working properly. There you have it guys, the P3 gauges is installed and ready to use. Now we can monitor a whole bunch of different parameters to ensure that our Camaro is dialed in. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.